Welcome to our exploration of the incredible benefits of watermelon, a summertime favorite that more than just a refreshing treat. From its hydrating properties to its array of vitamins and antioxidants, watermelon packs a powerful punch when it comes to promoting health and wellness. Did you know that watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to reducing the risk of certain cancer and promoting heart health? Watermelon is also a great post workout snack, providing essential electrolytes like potassium, which helps replenish what lost during exercise. Benefits of watermelon: Number 1, hydration. With its high water content of about 92%, watermelon is an excellent hydrating fruit, keeping your body cool and hydrated, especially during hot summer months. Number 2, nutrient rich. Watermelon is packed with essential vitamins like A, B6, and C, as well as minerals like potassium, which are vital for overall health and well being. Number 3, heart health. The presence of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant in watermelon, helps lower the risk of heart diseases by reducing cholesterol level and preventing oxidative damage to the heart. Number 4, blood pressure regulation. Potassium and magnesium in watermelon contribute to maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and stroke. Number 5, muscle soreness relief. Watermelon contains citrulline and amino acids that helps alleviate muscle soreness and improve exercise performance by enhancing blood flows to the muscles. Number 6, helps in digestion. The fiber content in watermelons aid digestion, prevent constipation, and promotes regular bowel movements, ensuring a healthy digestive system. Number 7, skin health. Vitamin C and A in watermelon help promote healthy skin by boosting collagen production, preventing premature aging, and protecting against sun damage and wrinkles. Number 8, eye health. Beta carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin found in watermelon support eye health by reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and improving overall vision. Number 9, weight management. Low in calories and fat, watermelon makes for satisfying yet nutritious snack that can help control appetite and aid in weight loss when consumed as a part of a balanced diet. Number 10, kidney health. Watermelon's high water content and natural diuretic properties help flush out toxins from the body, promoting kidney health and reducing the risk of kidney stones. Number 11, immune system support. The abundance of vitamin C in watermelon strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infection, viruses, and diseases more effectively. Number 12, cancer prevention. Lycopene, beta carotene, and other antioxidants in watermelon have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancer, including prostate, breast, and colon cancer. Number 13, bone health. Adequate intake of vitamin C, potassium, and calcium from watermelon supports bone health, reduces the risk of osteoporosis, and promotes bone strength and density. Number 14, stress relief. The presence of vitamin B6 in watermelon helps produce serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates moods and reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. Number 15, asthma prevention. The antioxidant present in watermelon, particularly vitamin C, help reduce inflammation in the airways, alleviating symptoms of asthma and improving lung functions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you have any question or suggestion for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting content.